Morning, everybody. Johnny Be Good here. I didn't exactly make it to Nashville, Tennessee last night. Came short. Traffic was heavy, and so I made it about 20 miles here in Antioch, Tennessee. It's another TA truck stop here. Yesterday I was running around with the truck being broken a little bit. The boot between the air cooler and the air charger turbo, it sprung a leak, and every time the turbo would engage, you could hear a lot of air escaping it. So I'm here at the shop today having repairs done, and I'll show you what the part is. Okay, there's a rubber hose that goes from there to there, and this is it right here. As you can see, that's where the leak is. And the mechanic just informed me that this rubber boot cost $300. And that's just the part, and I'm sure the labor is about $80. So yep, I'm glad I don't own this truck. Catch you later. So once again, I'm located here at the TA in Antioch, Tennessee, and shouldn't be long by now. So here's the plan. Today I'll be driving through Tennessee and Kentucky, Illinois, and I figured I'll be probably spending one more night. I was spending the night here over there in Madison, Wisconsin, and because it's 710 miles from here, and I won't make it there in 11 hours. So one more leg to go, and I'll get there. So I'll give you an update later. Peace. By the way, this is just an adage video of random thought. What the world is with people? What in the world is people wearing sandals and socks? I mean, seriously, sandals and socks. I just don't get it. It bugs the crap out of me. Peace.